I'm Aqua with WTI, and I have found the most adorable golf tees. These are happy anniversary golf tees, and also I love you forever. I just love these. This turned out to be a perfect gift for my husband. We went golfing on our anniversary, and this was just a great little present for him. And I was actually really impressed by the quality as well. These aren't just for fun. These golf tees worked really well. These golf tees are by Y Bong, and you get 33 1/4 inch golf tees. And these golf tees are made out of 100% bamboo. My husband loved the tees. He thought that it was a really good present, and it really just was a fun added little gift that we got to use on our anniversary day. So if you're looking for an anniversary present, this is just really adorable. You can't go wrong with golf tees that say happy anniversary and I love you forever. These just really added to our special day. So if you have a husband that loves golf, this is a perfect anniversary gift. And that's my point of view.